Welcome back to Drinks Made Easy, because cocktails don't have to be difficult. If you're a fan of comics, especially Dark Horse comics, you're aware of one of their most famous titles, HellBoy, which is getting a relaunch this year. And since we're in the golden age of comics, hopefully we're in for a great new series of movies. And every good series of movies needs a great cocktail. And for HellBoy, it damn well better be a flaming cocktail. So, without any further ado, let's make a cocktail. But first, if you haven't already, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll be notified every time we make a new video. To build the HellBoy cocktail, you start with 1 ounce of Fireball, 1 ounce of White Rum, 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice, and 1/4 ounce of simple syrup.
Half ounce.
If you're fat like Mike, do a half ounce.
I am not. Shut up. It tastes better.
If you want to be fat and like really sweet things. Cap that off into a shaker tin full of ice.
He doesn't like sweet things.
And give it a
I
quick
like
shake.
your mom's sweet things.
Pour that into a glass with fresh ice. And then on top of the glass, we're going to take just a hulled lime that we used for our lime juice. A cube of sugar, which is going to act as our wick. Douse that with a little Bacardi 151. Light your 151. And just garnish with a little bit of cinnamon on top. Easy as that. You have the HellBoy cocktail. Of course, always remember to extinguish any flames on drinks before you drink them. Especially when it's a bit diluted from having been shaken. You don't need half an ounce of simple syrup. Really, 1/4 ounce will do. And this is kind of like a cinnamon daiquiri, for lack of a better description.
He's right. You don't need a half ounce of simple syrup. Sorry, Paul's mom.